Today, Governor Beshear gave new details on the rollout of the coronavirus vaccine in the state. Right now, more than 66,000 doses have been given out.
We know that many of you have questions about when you'll be able to get the vaccine, and the state is still working on a timeline. As Victor Puente explains, doctors are taking on a lot of questions from their patients.
The doctors I talked to today told me one question they could answer when it came to the COVID vaccine was its safety.
I have people that are transplant patients, kidney transplant, a bilateral lung transplant, who've got the immunizations.
But a question they couldn't was when their patients could expect to get it.
As physicians in primary care, we think it's our responsibility to give vaccines to patients, but we don't even yet know exactly what the distribution is going to look like.
Dr. Brown told me she got the vaccine through one of the clinics the Fayette County Health Department holds for healthcare workers who aren't affiliated with the larger hospitals. So far, those slots have filled up fast.
I cried the whole time out of tears of gratitude. It felt like a surreal experience. I felt so grateful that that was something we could get as healthcare providers.
Most areas of the state are still in Phase 1A, which includes healthcare workers. Governor Beshear said they hope to finish that phase by the end of January. A few places have moved on to 1B.
The organization that they put in place sounded like a good idea when it comes to stratifying who's most at risk and who needs the immunizations first. But I think we've kind of failed in really having one or two people or organizations that have really kind of, checked the box to make sure everybody is on schedule and moving forward.
Dr. Brown told me she understood that managing a pandemic while rolling out a vaccine was a monumental task, which means it could be some time before those in the later phases get the vaccine.
The folks who are healthy adults with fewer chronic medical issues, I think, are going to have to call on some patience to wait until it is their turn.
In Lexington, Victor Puente, Fox 56 10 o'clock News.